In the dawning, as the sun rises and shines her glory, on hearts both open and close, our tale begins. Oh, wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey, tea with toast and jam. I love sunbeams, I love daydreams, I love beef and ham. Oh, wakey, wakey, frosted flaky, floating in my bowl. I love raindrops, I love treetops, I love donut holes. Would you cut that out? What is wrong with you? It's 6 o'clock in the morning! Don't be grumpy, Grandpa. Let's not forget the early bird gets the hugs. Let go of me and keep your sweaty thoughts to yourself. Sorry, Grandpa. I don't know why you're so happy. We're stuck here in this jail. We've got no freedom. I feel free. Friends, I have lots of friends. No autonomy. I have no autonomy. Oh, what's the use? You never see things clearly. I guess you're right, Grandpa. I need my glasses. Wow! I haven't worn these in a long time. They sure do bring back memories. Now wait a minute, you're not going to tell any ridiculous stories, are you? Of course not, Grandpa. I'll never do that. I'm going to tell you an awesome story. Once upon a time...